Hi, good morning and welcome to my channel today. We're going to be shave testing a very nice Crown and Sword razor today. It was a bit rough when I got it. A few rust marks. But it's a Crown and Sword at the end of the day, a really good maker. Their reputation is carved in stone, for me anyway. I've had a few Crown and Sword razors and every one's been perfect. And this one is no exception. So, not the original case, and there's a bit tatty on one end, but it does the job. It protects the razor itself from any damage. I'll just step out of the shot. I've polished it up reasonably well by hand, and I've managed to get rid of most of the rust and reset the bevel along from the heel right through to the toe. It's all been reset and honed properly, and it will pop a hair anywhere along that cutting edge. You can see the stamp there, E or N, that's their famous mark. The handle is in good condition. You can see the Crown and Sword emblem embossed out of the black acrylic handles, and you've got the trademark Crown and Sword on the blade. So we're going to set to and just see how good this razor is. If it's like any of the other Crown and Sword, it should be really comfortable. Well, it's making really light work of this beard. It's about 4 or 5 days growth. They're very forgiving blades, these Crown and Sword. What I mean by forgiving, when a blade is quite forgiving, it means that you don't have to be particularly accurate. You have to be reasonably there, but it's not like having a spike point where you got to watch the details. You know, you can be quite, not clumsy, but you can be shave fast with it. When I say it's forgiving, it means you can shave quickly. It sits nicely in your hand as well. If you notice when I go do the corners of the mouth, you sort of rotate the blade like this, and it rotates very smoothly, no tugging. Nice straight line there for a change. This is a good area for testing whether your razor is shave ready or not. If it's quite tough here. And if it's tugging your whiskers, it's not shave ready. So that was with the grain. I'm just going to go against the grain now. Perfect. Yes, perfect. Nice smooth blade. Perfect shave. See that? That red line there. That's from the shave testing that monkey tail. Little bugger bit me. Even experienced guys can get nicked by a spike point. But you don't feel anything, it's just, you know, You just notice you've got a bit of blood coming down. You can see the blade rotating there, going in quite steep and then rotating out. Rotating the blade like that, make sure it gets right into the corner. Even that side up a bit. There we go. You can see I'm using the full length of the blade, the heel right through to the toe. Using the heel there into the chin and using the point on this side. Tidy that up. Okay, so that's the shave test over for the Rubber Crowning sword. Most of you know this, but always dry your blade away and then towards you. Away and then towards, and then if you give it about 25-30 laps on your leather strop, that'll get rid of any moisture on the cutting edge of the blade and keep it nice and sharp. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and catch up with you probably after the weekend now. Bye for now.